my sunroom chat. Today I will discuss how photons interact to either reinforce their electric and magnetic fields or cancel the fields. The photon creates both positive and negative fields, as well as both north pole magnetic fields and south pole magnetic fields. This is shown in the next slide.
This is an illustration of a photon traveling through space. In one string cycle, the photon creates positive electric virtuelastic strings, and in the next cycle, negative strings. The same applies to the magnetic fields. Positive electric fields are never found in the same time frame as the negative fields. The same applies to north and south pole magnetic fields.
When photons of the same wavelength are brought into close proximity, they may either reinforce or cancel each other.
When they are completely out of synchrony, as shown here, the fields are cancelled out. Our instruments can no longer detect the virtuelastic strings. This demonstrates that the electric fields in one string cycle are composed of positive electric strings, and in the other string cycle they are negative. This observation provides strong evidence that positive and negative virtuelastic strings bond and cancel the electric fields. It provides strong evidence that our instruments cannot detect the bonded strings, and this causes cancellation.
Now let's examine what happens if two photons are traveling side by side and their elastic string cycles are in synchrony.
The two photons shown in this slide are in complete synchrony. They are creating their negative electrical fields at the same time, and they are creating their positive electric fields at the same time. For this reason, both negative and positive electric fields increase in intensity. Physicists refer to this as reinforcement. When two photons are in complete synchrony, the electric fields are reinforced.
The takeaway from this sunroom chat is as follows.
The photon has two different string cycles. The photon makes positive electric strings in one cycle and negative in the next. The same applies to the north and south pole magnetic strings. When two photons are in synchrony, the two electric fields are enhanced. This is referred to as reinforcement. When two photons are out of synchrony, the positive and negative electric strings bond. Bonded strings cannot be detected by our instruments. This is called interference.
Thank you for listening to my sunroom chat. I encourage you to read my book and stay in touch. Thank you.